This one's called Chon Rakh Posh. Chon rakh posh un gulab chuna Gulshanan maz so intakhab chuna Chon rakh posh un gulab chuna Gulshanan maz so intakhab chuna Canbazız hasırno sazız Canbazız hasırno sazız Ho canbazız hasırno sazız Nat prathkas nish rabab chuna Nat prathkas nish rabab chuna Chon rakh posh un gulab chuna Gulshanan maz soye bekhab chuna Dil rachun fitratan mein aadat chun Dil rachun fitratan mein aadat chun Ho dil rachun fitratan mein aadat chun Dil bajaye vanum savab chuna Dil bajaye vanum savab chuna Gulshanan maz soye bekhab chuna Chon rakh posh un gulab chuna I've recently understood the meaning of this line. Like, there are some faces like you just don't like them being frowned upon. जब उनके चेहरे पे frown होता है ना, it just disturbs you. There's something this strange कि मतलब वो चेहरा कोई एक होता है कि मतलब you just want to see that smiling. तो इसका मीनिंग मेरे को अब समझ आया. इसका शायर यहाँ पे कहता है कि Mjandri chej dakas sudrham tsra Mjandri chej dakas sudrham tsra Mjandri chej Dekasdrh matsrav yu çeşmem andar seab chuna yu çeşmem andar seab chuna gulshanan maz soe pe khab chuna chorak poshvul golab chuna